Ko RK116 is the roof thinner crane truck. RK116 is the good time there, is the custom light, is the orange, is the year 1995, is the month June, right from there is the crane truck, number 19, Adfield Corporation, good time there is the right from there is the crane truck, RK116, good time there is the roof thinner crane, good time there is the crane truck, Cobilco RK116, right from is the orange, right from there is the good time there is the orange, good time there is the orange, right from new tire, is the custom light, is the right problem, RK116, right problem, nice, is the Cobilco, RK116-2 is the good time there is the LYNX 116 is the mobile crane, roof thinner crane truck, and 5 and 4 and 3 and 2 1 and go.